Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. So today we will be making milkshakes. So you need three simple ingredients. Some ice cream. I'm using strawberry ice cream because strawberry ice cream is my favorite ice cream. But you can really use any ice cream flavor depending on what flavor milkshake you want. Some granulated sugar. And most importantly, you can't have a milkshake without milk. So, the ingredients that we need now. So I'm not supposed to use the blender when there's no parent watching me, and yeah. So I'm just gonna try and mix the milkshake together. So get a blender. Make sure a parent or a guardian is watching you. So just get a blender. I'm just gonna experiment with a container and a whisk. And you also need an ice cream scooper, 1/2 cup, and 1 teaspoon. So let's start with what we need to do. So first, we're gonna scoop 3 scoops of ice cream. 3 scoops. So, you know what? This is like 1.5 scoops. So let's just do that, and then do another one of those. Yep. Okay. Now we got our 3 scoops of ice cream. Put your ice cream away so it doesn't melt. And then you can just put this away real quick. I'm gonna put this away real quick. Okay, now what we want to do is pour in 1/2 cup of milk. So just pour in 1/2 cup of milk and dump it in. Dump it into the ice cream. Then that's what we want to do is add 1 teaspoon of sugar. So once again, I have to use a little spoon because I couldn't find any 1 teaspoons. But I am getting more cooking supplies because all of these cooking supplies are years old. So I'm getting some more cooking supplies so it wouldn't really happen anymore. So I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Actually, let's do 2 teaspoons because I see it feels like we need 2 teaspoons for this. Okay. Now, what we want to do, this will be our milkshake. So, as you see, it's like that. So now, what we want to do, get our whisk or blender. If you're allowed to use the blender right now, or you were always able to use the blender, then just put all this stuff in the blender. So do every step that we did inside the blender. Just saying, do not turn the blender thingy on yet, because if you do, then the blade could keep spinning and your finger can get chopped off. I know, it's horrible. But so you want to put all the stuff in, then put that bladey thingy on. Don't have that on already, but just place it in there once it's off, and then hold it down, make sure it's positioned the correct way, and then turn it on. Do not put the blade on when it's on, you know? Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna, no, I'm just gonna try and make this a milkshake. So, So, let's just try and smush this together. Maybe you want to have the ice cream a little melted before if you're doing it my way. No, it's not really going well. Let's keep trying. And yeah. So I'm going to keep mixing. This is mine so far. Actually, I mean, it looks pretty good. Because this is like, I'm doing this video while I'm also experimenting. So this is experimenting and doing the video at the same time. So actually, this does look like a pretty good milkshake so far. Don't you think? See? I think it does. So I think that will be our milkshake. So like I said, you could use any ice cream flavor. I just showed strawberry because it's my favorite, and I love strawberry milkshakes. So right now, go ahead and put your milk away and your sugar away, and yeah, and then yeah. Okay, now what we want to do is get a cup. Oh, also put this away. Just clean up your station real quick. And, okay. Put your cups away. Alright, now that we have our milkshake mixture, you can put your whisk away too. So you want to get a cup. So I'm just going to get a cup real quick. I'm going to try and get a see-through cup. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get a plastic cup real quick, or what? I'll just use the cups I have. I'll be right back. Okay, good. I found a nice clear cup. So, oh, this is gonna taste so good. What you want to do is pour it in gently. It's okay that you have ice cream lumps. That's supposed to happen. This looks delicious. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Alright. If you hear my sister in the background singing or something, I don't know what she's doing. Don't mind that. Okay. So, what you want to do, after you have your milkshake, you can just drink it just bland. Not really bland, you know what I mean. With no toppings on it. You can put whipped cream on it. I have no whipped cream. Maybe we can make some whipped cream right now. Yeah, let's try and make some whipped cream right now. But you can put sprinkles on it. I'm going to put some strawberries on it. Let's go see if I have some strawberries. Oh, you could top it with more ice cream. So we could top it with like vanilla ice cream. That would taste good. But we're going to try and make our own whipped cream right now. So, yeah. Okay. So, I'm just going to get some strawberries if you have any. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put bananas on it because I don't think we have any strawberries. And this is already a strawberry drink, so I'm going to put some bananas on it, and that will taste really good. So I'm just going to get some banana. Okay, got the banana. I'm going to open. If the banana has brown stuff on it, that's good. That's the sweet part. So, you want to just gonna get some banana, dump it in there. This tastes so good. I'm just going to use the whole banana right now. Just dump it in there. You can mix it up a little bit. Yeah, so this will be my milkshake. I'm not really sure if we have like the ingredients for whipped cream right now, because I know we need like this milk. I forgot what it was called. I still don't know. But if you want to make whipped cream from scratch, just watch a different video. Maybe I'll make a quick video on how to make whipped cream. Yeah, I'll do that. And then you can put it on your milkshake. So now let's test. Okay. It's gonna taste good. This is delicious. Oh my god. This is literally the best milkshake I've ever tasted in my life. I'm going to drink the rest of this. So, thank you for watching. This is a really good recipe. Probably my favorite recipe. Including, all the videos I made are my favorite recipes. But this will have to be like my favorite. So, please leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I would like to say, most of you guys who watch my videos, like 60-something%, don't even subscribe. So, if you can, that would be really nice. Our goal is 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So, let's get to that goal. Well, anyways, thank you for watching this video and all my other videos. And please subscribe and have a great day. Stay safe and well, and bye!